Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. The opposition is questioning what sanctions will be taken against senior managers at the CMU who facilitated some of the breaches outlined in the Auditor General's report. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has agreed in principle that a new slate of management is needed at the scandal-hit Caribbean Maritime University CMU. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm picks up that story.
It's scandalous.
Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips reacting to the findings of the Auditor General's report, pointing to several procurement and financial breaches at the CMU.
The barn has been raided, and after the raid, measures are being put in place to tell us that these are corrective measures.
Corrective measures as announced by the Prime Minister, such as a new 21-member council headed by Professor Gordon Shirley to oversee the CMU. For opposition MP Mikhail Phillips, that change doesn't go far enough.
There are others who have been put in senior positions now, who have been complicit with a lot of what has been happening. So do you think, Prime Minister, in hindsight, that a clean slate should be at least put in place, management, until a lot of these issues have been ventilated?
That yes, I agree that we should have a new slate of management as quickly as possible. Problem with that statement is that there is a process, and we have to abide by process, and we can't just dismiss.
As for the appointment of the new council, the Prime Minister says the Act is specific about who can serve as a member. But by all indications, the issues surrounding the scandal at the CMU are not going away anytime soon. The Public Accounts Committee of Parliament will have to examine the Auditor General's report, and opposition spokesman on education, Peter Bunting, has tabled questions for the Prime Minister.
Would the Prime Minister disclose the names of all the persons who were responsible for awarding the contracts at CMU and those who received the contracts in excess of $1 million during that period of time, those identified in the report?
And while the Prime Minister awaits the Attorney General's opinion on the legality of the non-disclosure agreement signed by former CMU council members, Mr. Bunting wants the agreement to be shared with Parliament.
And state which other agencies in the Ministry of Education or throughout the government have obliged the governing bodies to sign the same thing.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.